They say that the average Tour Pro setup is about 144 degrees, 142 degrees. See, John's a little more upright than that. We may work on that. He's had 2 knees replaced this past season, off season for us, season up there in Canada for him. So he's getting a little bit more structure in his setup. So let's go ahead and take a look at what he's doing with his spine. We know where his, in fact, let's undo that one and draw in a straight line instead of a wiggly line. Okay, now let's see what happens to those angles. It's going to start the club back. Takes the club too far to the inside. See that, how he's turning his right shoulder out and the club head is way behind him? We want that club head to be where the hands are. So that club head right now should be right there. Let's undo that. He's going to come up, get himself into a position, pretty good position right there. See that? His spine has stayed really solidly planted. That's a good position. We've got a little flying of the elbow. There's a little space between the 2 elbows we'd like to get rid of. Let's see what he does if we reroute. See, what he does there is his lever is in the wrong spot. The swing needs to lead with the elbow. So what he needs to be able to do from this position here is he needs to take the elbow down this way. Instead, the elbow stays on top, and he comes up over the top and above his hand position. And then he has to pull up and out of the shot in order to execute a good shot. He's a pretty good athlete and he's able to do that. But if we can work on just getting that right elbow tucked in front of his hip from this point right there, he's going to be a much better golfer and have much more consistent results. On the plus side, let's take a look, kill everything out of the way. Watch the feet action here. Notice the feet are on the ground, roll to the inside, heel comes straight up, and he goes to a great finish. That is something he couldn't do before he got his new knees. So we call him Johnny New Knees.